If your face seems to be getting wider and you tend to clench or grind your teeth, tight chewing muscles may be part of the reason. Let's relax those muscles to help your face look softer, lighter, and more lifted. Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko from Arigatou Wellness, and it's time for Massage Monday. Most of us don't want our face to look bigger over time. While weight gain is one possible reason, another often overlooked cause is chronic clenching and teeth grinding. When chewing muscles are overworked day after day, they can become tight and enlarged. These bulky muscles may contribute to a wider jawline and can create a downward tension on your face. This week I will show you 3 simple techniques to relax these muscles. As they release, your face may feel lighter, your jaw tension may improve, and you may even notice a more lifted appearance over time. It will be great if someone notices a change. As always, please stop if you experience any pain and consult medical professionals if you have any medical conditions in the areas mentioned. 1. Temporalis massage. First, let's find the temporalis muscles. Gently bite down and feel the muscles on the sides of your head above your ears. Those are your temporalis muscles. Using your fingertips or the flat part of your fist, massage these muscles. You can massage up and down, side to side, or in small circles. Perform about 10 strokes in each area, covering 3 different locations on each side. Focus on moving the muscles beneath the scalp rather than sliding over the hair. 2. Masseter massage. Next, let's work on the masseter muscles, the powerful chewing muscles along your jaw. Gently bite down and feel the muscle bulge near the angle of your jaw. So the masseter is one of the strongest muscles in your body for its size. During normal chewing, it typically uses only a fraction of its strength, about 15 to 35 pounds, or about 7 to 9 kilograms of pressure. But when you clench or grind your teeth, especially during sleep, your jaw can generate up to 250 pounds or 113 kilograms of force. Because your conscious brain isn't actively limiting the pressure, these muscles can work much harder than they need to, causing them to become tight, enlarged, and overworked over time. By the way, the Guinness World Record for the strongest human bite is 975 pounds or 442 kilograms of force. Slightly open your mouth to relax the muscle. Using your thumb and the side of your index finger, gently pinch the muscle and move it up and down about 10 times in 3 different locations. Then move it back and forth about 10 times in 3 different locations. I do this one side at a time because the face skin is pulled and it's easier to do it one side at a time. Try both sides at the same time and I think you'll know what I mean. Then use your fingertips to make large circular motions over the entire masseter muscle. You want to move the muscle underneath the skin rather than just rubbing the skin's surface. Next, let's relax the attachment sites. Using your fingertips or knuckles, gently massage just below the cheekbone for a count of 10. Then massage the attachment near the jawline for another count of 10. You massage muscles, but releasing these attachment sites can be just as important as relaxing the muscle itself. 3. Ear pull. Finally, let's release tension around the ears. Gently grasp the middle of your ear and pull it slightly backward. Hold for a count of 10. The muscles around the ears, including the temporalis and masseter, are connected through layers of connective tissue. That's why tension in the ears and jaw often goes hand in hand. This simple technique can help release tension throughout the entire jaw area. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell. Make it a great week.